Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a new pumping tutorial for mothers who want to make their pumping routine simple, comfortable, and effective. Before starting, always wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean and properly assembled. Taking a few minutes to prepare can make the entire session smoother. Next, choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax. Many mothers find that a calm environment helps them feel more comfortable during pumping sessions. Before using the pump, try taking a few deep breaths and relaxing your shoulders. Some mothers also gently massage the area for a short time before starting. Now place the pump correctly and begin with a gentle setting. Starting slowly is often more comfortable than immediately using a strong setting. In the beginning, the flow may take a few minutes to start. This is completely normal, so try to stay relaxed and patient. During the session, maintain a steady rhythm and avoid rushing. If something feels uncomfortable, make small adjustments to the position or settings. It is also helpful to keep water nearby and stay hydrated throughout the day. Small habits like this can make your routine feel easier. After finishing, transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Finally, clean all pump parts properly and allow them to dry completely before storing them for the next session. With consistency, patience, and a comfortable routine, pumping can become a simple and manageable part of daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.